Tech Tip Tuesday. Might actually be Wednesday by the time I get this out, but it's Tuesday right now. 2007 MDX that it's a common noise, but one that most people don't necessarily know what it is. It is a groaning noise when we turn the steering wheel. We're going to show you that noise, and I'm going to show you how I fix it today. Pretty nasty noise, eh? Let's go take a look in the wheel well here, and we'll source out where that line is leaking. So if we follow my finger in here, we're going to see this corroded line right here and this little bracket that mounts the line. This is actually where the power steering return line is leaking. Now keep in mind, this car wasn't really pouring fluid. Like, there was no really big puddles. Yes, the customer saw some fluid but didn't realize it was bad until the power steering pump started whining as heavily as it did. So we've got that line here. We're going to change that line right now. Holy smokers! I don't even know why I wear them right now. Let's see how good I am. I didn't spill too much. Perhaps I should have got a funnel, but there's actually a high and a low mark on the side of the reservoir that I'm looking at. You can't see it, it's on the over there. So I'm just looking at the side of it, and I'm right at the top mark right now. So I've started the car back up and filled the reservoir. Now I'm going to take it for a test drive, but the noise is gone, and wasn't that complicated after all. I'm right at the top mark right now. Thank you for watching. This has been Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Lou from All About Imports, and I would appreciate it if you follow my videos. If you enjoy them, I would appreciate it if you went to my YouTube channel. I put the link somewhere here. I don't know how to do this yet. And if you go to my channel and give it a follow, I would appreciate that greatly. Anyways, till next week, have a great week, and happy safe driving. Loud noise coming. Oh yeah. Ooh, ear protection.